Hi guys, in this little video I just want to show you guys a little app onto the VPecker, and it's called the function list. So this is the main screen. If you come down here and you press this button, I'm trying to do this through the viewfinder, it's going to give you a list of cars that you can go through and see what exactly is on the function, the functions for that vehicle. Now, so here it has an Acura. Now I'm going to go and I'm going to go to the Chrysler. And I am going to go to the RT Caravan that we didn't really have any functions with, and we're going to see what this one says. And it's right there. And as you can tell, as soon as I picked the RT, it went to 2017 and it said no. So what that basically means that there is no functions available for that vehicle, which is a little weird, but look, it happens. So if we go 2008, same thing, nothing. So let's pick a different vehicle and let's go see. We'll go with a vehicle I'm familiar with. We'll go with, we could go Hyundai. Let's go Accent 2018. Says that there's nothing. Oh, it's loading. We'll leave it load for a minute. Maybe it'll give us a lot. And there we go. So we have a 1.4 MPI, and it gives you all for the 1.4 MPI. And if we keep going down, is it going to give us anything else? Nope. So we have the 1.4 MPI, but it does give you BCM, cluster, and a bunch of other functions that are available for that one. So let's go with Hyundai. Let's go US. Or actually, let's go general. So we have the 1.4 again, and that's with the Accent. Solaris. Those are models that I've never heard of. So create a Elantra. Elantra I've heard of. So let's see, we have a 2-liter MPI. And as you see, it just keeps getting, the list just keeps going. So this does have a lot that I can do with Hyundai. This tool is great for Hyundai and Kia vehicles, I'll be honest with you guys. And also on Ford, it does pretty a lot on Ford too. I'll actually go to Ford and I'll show you guys that. I've actually tried it out on Ford vehicles, and it works fairly well. We'll go 2000. We'll go with a vehicle that everybody knows, F-150. And they even put the Mazdas in here. So we'll go 2017, and it gives you all these functions onto a 2017 F-150. Now, if all of them work on a 2017, I wouldn't be able to answer that. But I have tried it out on Ford, and it does work very, very well on Ford vehicles. So this was just a quick video to show you guys that you guys can go in and see what type of functions are available for the vehicle that you want to test. And as you can tell, they do have Europe vehicles, they do have the US and general, and so it gives you a good idea of what this tool is capable of. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and if you did, please like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys next time.